Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Daniel from Woodworking with Dash. Jewelry box, look at that inside. Wow. And the second will be a document box. This whole tray can come out. Now that's a striking box, isn't it guys? With its centre insert, makes it pop. For the body of the box we're going to be using this carry, and for the surrounds of the top we're going to be using myrtle. The inlay is going to be centre. We'll cut the monitor, then we'll cut the bottom, and then we'll put the box together. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying this short version of how to make this box. Check out YouTube for the full version of how to make this box. Step by step, it's easy, have a go. All taped up, going to turn them over now. Very long this box, isn't it? Okay. Start gluing. Roll that one up, roll that one up. It's a new day and I'm back in the shed. It's been a few days since I've been in the shed. I got called into work in my old job because of COVID. Everybody's short staffed, so I've been working for a few days. Cool. In my day everything was cool, man, cool. Guys, I've cut the tray in the configuration that I want, which is a long piece for the necklaces, a bigger piece for the bigger jewelry, and 6 small compartments. I've taken the top out of the crabs. Very striking centre, isn't it? The centre comes out great, and with the myrtle surrounds, it's going to pop when it gets polished. So polished up, doesn't that lid just pop? Guys, look at the inside. Now that's the box. The lid stands up by itself. The a wide tray just really sets it off, and that can come out, and the whole box can be used as a document box. So it's a double purpose box. That's it for this box. Please subscribe and ring the bell. I'm only a new channel and I need all the subscribers I can get. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching again.